Here's a psychology fact you're probably not ready for. Most people's brains are wired to get overwhelmed by crowds. You felt it, right? Walking into a packed room or busy street, and suddenly your energy crashes. The bright lights, the nonstop noise, the massive flow of people. It's like the world is screaming all at once. Psychologists call this a highly sensitive nervous system. And once you understand it, you'll see why some people drown in chaos while others swim right through it. But here's where it gets even worse. It's not just about noise or people. Your brain literally soaks up every single sound, sight, and even the emotions around you, like a sponge. That means when you're around too many people, you don't just get tired, you get drained. Most people stop here, and that's a huge mistake. Here's the painful truth. You're not antisocial or weird for avoiding crowds. You're hyper-aware. You see all the fake smiles, forced laughs, the unspoken tension others miss. That's emotional intelligence, wrapped up in a delicate nervous system. But here's the part nobody wants to admit. In a big group, individuality gets lost. Everyone tries to fit in and wear a mask. You crave authenticity. Surrounded by so many masks, your brain rebels. It's why solitude doesn't mean loneliness for you. It means relief. It means truth. This happens because your brain produces less dopamine in crowded social settings compared to extroverts. While they get energized, you get overstimulated. It's not a flaw. It's just your body's natural chemistry. This is why quiet nights, solo drives, and empty cafes recharge you. You aren't running away from life. You're coming home to yourself. If that hit you good, it means you needed to hear it. Here's the mental trick that actually works. Don't fight your nature by forcing yourself into noisy situations. Honor your need for peace. Practice seeking calm spaces where your mind gets to breathe and your energy rebuild. That's not avoiding life. That's protecting your peace. So next time someone asks, "Why are you so quiet?" just smile. They don't realize you hear what others don't. You feel what others miss. And that's your strength. Are you someone who hates crowded places? Or do you find energy in them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to see how many of us choose peace over noise. And if this changed how you see yourself, hit subscribe. We dive deeper daily, like this video, to help others find it.